We're constructing a 6-foot wide by 125-foot boardwalk along the face of this retainer wall we just installed. The top of the retainer wall will have a 2-foot cap on top of it and a step down of about 30 inches to the boardwalk. Give you a nice little sitting edge and watching the sunset in the afternoons. Also be installing a handrail with cable rail system, synthetic top cap to match the decking. Y'all don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, then you'll be notified on my next upcoming projects. We got a 8-foot high wood retainer wall on this same location going in between this property and the neighbor's property. It's a little bit more elevated hill, but we'll be installing that with some man array earth anchors. We're putting final touches on this project over here now. Got the top cap installed, the 6-foot boardwalk installed, all the cable rails installed. Thanks to Mark and his crew, Chase and Hector, for coming over and giving us a hand. They did a real good job, got it knocked out in one day. It's a Type 316 stainless steel cable rail, so you won't have nothing to worry about. Got a synthetic top cap going on, and got a little set of stairs down on the opposite end over here to make it easy to get up and down. We got this thing set at 29.5 inches, so it meets code. We don't have to have a handrail up top to block the view from the house out to the water. I wanted to do an aerial view of the scope of this project to see how large it is. Long retainer wall on the wetland side, 160-foot wall on the bay side, plus we're doing a wall between the neighbors right now because of the different elevations of property. Hey, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified with the next upload.